What's going on, guys? So this is going to be my first video on the quote rebirthing unquote whatever of my channel, and it's going to be an unboxing of my new computer, and you'll see what it is in just a minute. I have no tripod to hold my phone, so yeah. So inside this first box, we have another box. All right. And inside of that box was, you guessed it, another box. That's a really good seal. Oh my gosh, it's an iMac. Don't know why I chose to do a fresh install of macOS. So 1 hour later, I'm finally ready to set up my Mac. Hey Gabe.
What's up?
So this is what I'll be using to to edit my videos. I'm very excited. It's my first Mac.
Sorry. I'll turn this down.
It's fine. I'm coming from a 2011 Acer laptop, which couldn't hold a charge anymore and just would always shut down because it was overheating. Too many issues with it. I also have an iPad, which I could use to edit also, but we'll see how that turns out. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.